All right, the Dean and Deason fantasticness has seen the sun. Look, are you excited? Look at this thing, dude. Talk about bling bling. Holler at your girl. We started demasking just a little bit. We did let it sit overnight. Not generally the way to be, per se. We're calling this Ghetto Gold. And it is freaking nuts. It's a 0.008 gold flake with a holographic flake in there with it. So, blang blang. Yeah, it is. All right, we're gonna get this thing demasked and then I'll shoot the grand finale. But guess what? This ain't all. I still got to do a couple things. Got to paint the wheels. Got to paint the trim. We're gonna have a couple more sessions with this 2017 Kia Soul.
Raina the Pimpsess again.
Raina the Pimpsess is her name. I'm not a crazy fan of how it looks not in the sun, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm all about that flashiness. I mean, that's why I drive an orange truck and have a lime green El Camino. And this right here, girl, look at this nut job. I guess she's excited. All right, well, I'll shoot more whenever we get everything demasked. Got the one and only Deason over here, unmasking, unwrapping the Christmas present, we should call it. This fucking thing is nuts. Look at that, blang blang.
Blang blang.
Whew, goodness gracious. All right, keep on keeping on, baby.
Huh?
Say keep on keeping on.
All right.
All the blang. All right, my peeps. This is the Ghetto Gold. I painted my daughter's car yesterday. It's a 2017 Kia Soul. Look at this thing. Blang blang. Blang blang. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that. All right. I shot the base, which is black, with the brand new Inokraft Drizzle X, which is it's an electric paint gun made specifically for automotive use. It is for spraying cars. That thing is bright. Anyway, so I shot the base. We did one heavy coat of base because the base is just for the effect on top. So it just needs to be a dark base. So it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. So I just put on one thick coat of black with the Drizzle X, the DX from Inokraft. And then I put, I don't know, let's call it 4 coats of those metallic metal flakes on it. That is a Did Spade product. That is 0.008 metallic flake. It is the Did Spade, I don't know what they call it. It's gold with a holographic effect. Obviously, you can see that. If you look at it without direct sunlight, it's more of a gold color if you see the bottom of the doors. And she opted, we didn't do the trim, that kind of thing. We are going to do the trim at a later date, like that Soul situation. We are going to do the wheels in a different color, but this is where we're at now. So here's the grand finale of the Ghetto Gold Soul. Hey, if your soul is Ghetto Gold, I guess you're in good shape, because that thing is blang blang. Blang blang, can you sing? All right, Garry Dean, Rapid Rod Rehab. 813-846-4406. If you need something done, body and paint, detailing, metal fabrication, fiberglass repair, Super Slick 2000, all the things. Check out rapidriderehab.com and holler at your boy. There she goes. Blang blang.